Hello guys, welcome to the channel. And as told, so this is the first model question paper as mock paper of physics. So this is the model question paper of physics. uh, you can see here they have a lot of questions. We have put a lot of questions here. You can solve all these questions. Like we have also have here two identical capacitors, this capacitor, this all things. We have a lot of things here, and you all guys can solve these questions, and the answers to these questions will be provided today evening. Okay, so yeah, we have a physics question paper here. Similarly, we have put the uh, chemistry question paper also, as well as maths question paper also. So this is the chemistry question paper. You can see here the chemistry question paper. Okay, you can see the chemistry question paper, and also we have the maths question paper also here. Okay, so as you can see, okay, so this is the maths question paper. So we have integrated physics, chemistry, and as well as maths mock question papers. Okay, so you can solve this question paper, and by today evening you will get the detailed answers as well as the answers and detailed answers both. Okay, so thank you for watching.